Alright. The door part. Taking out this complete useless piece of shit here. It's more of a paperweight, but I'll be throwing these in. I'm just putting these little Rockfords in there, the Fanatic series. Should go in there pretty good. Okay, I'm about to install the power wire. And this is what they had on their amp that was in the car previously. It looks like shit. Looks like your basic speaker. There's the old speakers were. You can see they ran it all the way through mine. I keep finding more and more wires. I don't know what that is. Or this. Let's go check in the truck. This is the power wire. Okay, hold on. I gotta show you this. Okay, this is what the power wire looked like in the car from whoever installed it. That is 4 gauge. It looks like a shoelace. What is that shit? Even the ground is this pathetic looking shit. That is just a no-no.